Starms here. Do you know if you're ready to go live? I have spent so much time not wanting to go live, not wanting to be seen in front of the camera, and coming up with one excuse after the other. But the only way to really grow your business is you've got to get in front of the camera. And if you're interested in going live and joining a supportive group of people, and specifically women, who will support you and give you guidance as you embark on this journey, then I would suggest that you join a wonderful group called Perry Girls. Yes, go to perrygirls.com. It's spelled perigirls.com. Sign up, follow the rules, check out what the rules and instructions are, and just get started and put yourself in the loop and watch some of the other Perry Girls go live, and you jump in and get started. It's a great way to go live and get the proper training and become polished and professional really quick. No, I am not getting an endorsement on this. I absolutely love Perry Girls. I watch them all the time, I must admit, but I've been a little slow with going live myself. But I do plan to make that a definite part of my 2018 program. So you watch for me and I will watch for you. And then comment below and let me know what you think, and if you joined up, I'd love to hear from you. And also in the blog post below, I share a little bit more information about Perry Girls and the type of things that they do. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on Perry Girls. Bye-bye.